What trait of yours does Lisa love the most? Oh my God, you should ask her, not me. Well, I'll tell you something that she cannot resist. I can make her laugh even when she doesn't want to. That's what makes me irresistible to her. Fill in the blank. Lisa loves to collect pigs. Madali lang yan because Lisa in the Chinese horoscope is a pig. And in character, si Lisa is the most generous person. Yung parang pinapakain lahat ng tao. Ganun. She has the best collection of pigs I've ever seen. Kung minsan, pag wala akong maisip na regalo para sa kanya, yun ang binibigay sa isang basta magandang, isang magandang pig. What food reminds you of Lisa? Chocolate. Bilis, di ba? Chocolate. Simple lang. What's Lisa's best physical feature? Oh, well, the thing that struck me first when I first saw her eyes. Malalim yung mata ni Lisa and very expressive. Paano magmahal ang Ilocano? Ang Ilocano, ang problema sa Ilocano, hindi emotion, hindi masyadong may katigasan ko minsan. Hindi nagsasabi ng nararamdaman. Pero siguro, pinapakita na lang namin ang aming pagmamahal sa aming pagginagawa. Hindi na lang sa salita o sa paglambing. Kung minsan hindi ko masyado malambing. Pero magpapakamatay kami para sa mga minamahal namin sa buhay. What's your favorite non-sex activity that you do together? Travel. We love to travel because we like to go to new places, see new things, do new things, eat new food, listen to new languages, learn new history. Medyo, in a way, I've been a bit of a culture vulture all my life, and I think Lisa's picked up on that. So yes, we always enjoy going to new places and seeing new things. What did you learn about marriage from your parents? It's a partnership. It's not the traditional thing that you're the man of the house, or it's a partnership. It's very clearly a partnership, both in the family side and even in the professional side, because my parents were very much partners, both in their careers and with the family. And I suppose that carried over to me, because with Lisa, it's a partnership with my sons, with the family, with our household. But it's also a partnership when we work. So I guess that's what I learned from them. What advice about marriage would you impart to your kids? Well, they're all boys. The best advice I can give them, find a woman as good as your mother. You'll be all right. Mamimigay uli kami ng ating hoodie na BBM Vlog. Dahil Valentine, gawin natin 3 pares. Of course, we'll give it by pairs dahil Valentine's. Dahil palapit nga tayo sa Valentine's, anong pinaka-romantic na description na pwedeng mong ibigay sa iyong partner? By the way, FYI, the cheesier, the better. Sige nga, tignan natin kung ano ipapadala ninyo.
Hi guys, once again, thanks for watching our dad's vlogs.
If you want to see more, remember to share,
like, and subscribe.